Problems based on number line in linear inequation. So in linear inequations, let us see few more problems, and we will take the two equations like less than or greater than, combine two ways we can see and how to represent those solution set on number line. Let me show you here. So here is you can see the problem. It's different. Solve the inequation. Solve the inequation. That is minus 3 less than or equals to 3 minus 2x less than 9. Okay, so here is minus 3 less than or equal to 3 minus 2x and less than 9. Three statements here. So these are 1, 2, 3. So three expressions, and x belongs to the real numbers. We need to solve this, and again we'll keep on number line also. So we'll represent this solution set on number line. That also we'll see for this problem. Okay, so when you see this question, here is minus 3 less than or equals to 3 minus 2x less than 9. So in this type we can solve in two cases. That is first two. First two will take. Total we have three expressions. So 1, 2, 3. Middle is repeated. That means minus 3 less than or equals to 3 minus 2x. We'll take one and we'll solve. This is the case 1. And for case 2, next to 2, last to 2. That means these two. That means middle is the repeated. Middle expression whatever it is will be repeated. So that is a 3 minus 2x less than 9. In this way you should take. Any problem is like this. So I will show one more problem also after this. First two and last two. First two will let us take and solve, and last two also let us take and solve. That means middle will be repeated for the both. Right. Now take the extra. Minus 2x take to the left. It's a plus 2x. Same less than or equal to. 3 already RHS side. Minus 3 take this side plus 3. Okay, 2x is less than or equal to 6. Then x is less than or equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 is dividing. So from this 2 answer 2 3s are cancel. So x is less than or equal to 3. X value is less than or equal to 3. Let be equation 1. Okay, from this. Now next one, minus 2x less than 3, take right side, 9 minus 3. Okay, minus 2x is less than 6. To make this is minus 2x is positive, I should multiply with minus 1 both the sides. So this becomes 2x. Then in that case less than becomes greater than. So we solved the previous topic. That is minus 6. Okay, minus 1 should multiply both the sides. Then this whatever sign middle, it will be interchange. There is the properties in inequalities we already discussed. So x is greater than minus 6 divided by 2. Then x is greater than minus 3. Okay, cancel this. And from this, if x is greater than minus 3, then minus 3 is less than x, right? Because the negative, whatever it is, x is greater than minus 3 means minus 3 is less than x. Let be equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we'll write combine from 1 comma 2. So minus 3 less than x. Second one I wrote starting, because one element number should be starting. Minus 3 less than x, and x is less than or equal to 3. X is less than or equal to 3. These two I just wrote combined together. Okay, minus 3 less than x as it is. X less than or equal to 3. Yeah, both are matching, right? For this we can write the number line. Then according to this, same x belongs to real numbers. That means x is in between minus 3 and 3, but 3 is included. Minus 3 is not included. So that topic already we discussed previous. So anything is given, let's take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So if it is included, minus 3 is not included, you can keep the open circle. X is less than or equal to 3. 3 is included, there should be closed bubble. Bubbling you can do. So complete dot. Now you can all the lines in between them. So each and every point between them is included. Skip one dark line. Yeah, so this is the solution set for this, right? Let's see one more problem, not this. Yeah, let me show you one more second question. Same type, but let us take one other one. Solve the equation. Solve the inequation. Here is 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2 less than or equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, x belongs to the real numbers. So we need to represent the solution set also on number line. So according to the method, we need to take the two parts, right? Just we discussed. Let's take two separate. First two and last two. First two is this. That is 2x minus 3 less than x plus 2. This inequation we can solve. And next to 2 means second one and third one. That is x plus 2 less than or equals to 3x plus 5. Yes. So in these two cases, we'll solve separately. X variables take one side, 2x. This is a minus x less than 2 plus 3. Okay, minus 3 is right side, plus 3. 2x minus x is x less than 5. X is less than 5. This is the equation 1. From this, 3x take x minus 3x. Okay, x terms one side, numbers other side. Only right side is 5, 2 is minus 2. This is minus 2x less than or equals to 3. So as we saw the previous, to change the minus 2x becomes plus 2x, less than or equal becomes greater than or equals to minus 3. That means both the sides we are indirectly multiplying with minus 1. Okay, just if we multiply with minus 1 both the sides, then that becomes, this should be changed. Less than or equal become greater than or equal. That's the case. Yeah, now 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3. So x is greater than or equals to minus 3 by 2. If x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to x. Okay, this is 2. From this both combined we can write. From 1 comma 2 we can write like this. Minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to x. X is less than 5 from equation 1. Same, x belongs to the real numbers. And here is minus 3 by 2. So this is the improper fraction converting to mixed. Sorry, this is improper, yeah, mixed if you can take, that is normal 1 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 and half less than or equal to x less than 5. This will represent on the number line. So let us take the number line. Minus 1 by 2 is included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this side, because 5 also is there. And this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Here if you notice, here 5 is not included. X is less than 5. So 5 should be open circle you can keep. And minus 1 and half. That means between minus 1 and minus 2, here is the minus 1 by 2. Right? So here you can take minus 1 by 2 is between minus 1 minus 2. This is included. You should keep the closed bubbling you can do. That means you should keep the dark circle. So all the points are between there is on number line. So we can make this simple. A dark line you can draw. Yeah, that's enough. This much only. That means here is the between minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 and half. And it's a 5 is not included, but this included, right? So this is the solution set we can make like this. So representing on first finding the solution set in two cases, again that one you can represent on the number line also. Okay, let us see few more problems based on this. In case if any questions are more type, let us see one more sum.